Hi, this is Aaron at Lock & Lube, and today we're going to talk about something that comes up every now and then, the drive-in fittings. Drive-in fittings are sometimes found on snow blowers, lawn mowers, things where there's a center shaft and then an outer shaft, and the center shaft needs to be greased. The distinct appearance of the drive-in fittings will be a rib design that runs parallel, and it doesn't have a thread that would actually screw in. So with the drive-in fittings, in order to reinstall them or to install a new one, you'll need the drive-in adapter to help you get a Zerk fitting back where you need it. So insert the drive-in fitting in the hole. Flip the tool over, inserting the Zerk fitting into the hole. A couple taps with the hammer, and that's how you drive in a drive-in fitting. Thank you for watching. This is Aaron at Lock & Lube. For more information on Zerk fittings, kits, and other accessories, please visit lockandlube.com.